Hey guys, good morning and happy Thursday. Hope everybody is staying safe and staying out of the way of coronavirus. Hey, a real quick post just to let everybody know, Corona hit home for my family and myself on Tuesday. Got a phone call from our corporate office. They reduced our sales staff by 50%, and I was one of the casualties of that. So I am back in the wood making business for the time being to help support my family. So I'm working on a buddy sign right now. Rab, thank you very much for the business. Anybody else that is looking for a sign for your house, your cabin, your backyard fort, your son or daughter's bedroom, your office, pretty much anything, let me know. Hit me up on Facebook. Love to help you out and help me out as well. So anyway, everybody stay safe, take care, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.